This is nutritional blood microscopy for Brooke, and it's not designed to diagnose, treat, or identify any disease or illness. It's for educational purposes. It's a nutritional analysis of the blood. Last time Brooke ate was about 3 hours ago. Normally we like to wait 4 hours, but still there's just a tremendous amount of erythrocyte aggregation, which is clumping of the red cells. So we just gave her some enzymes. We'll wait a few minutes. I did give her 2 enzymes just a few minutes ago because there was just too much clumping. You can see we're good now. We've got plenty of separation. See if there's any difference after light therapy. So go ahead and do that. But I don't know what you're going to see that's improved. Well, I guess that tells us everything. So that's ideal.
It's a lot of movement, right?
That's what you wanted to see, I bet.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So this is a retest for Brooke after how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes of light therapy. The red cells were so clumped that we couldn't even analyze them. Gave her a couple of enzymes, we could analyze them, but now the amount of surface charge on the red cells is so high they will not stick together, which means you have just great.
They're moving so fast now, which is what
well, yeah, and again, they're not alive, they're not moving on their own, but on the slide, they cannot stick together. So the surface charge, which, you know, the blood is slightly alkaline.
So cool.
The pH of the blood is 7.3, which is slightly alkaline. So the surface charge of the red cells is negative. Negative repels negative, and that's what's happening. But it really put a lot of charge in the blood. Lots. I mean, this is great.